never caught the double C, but she near cause she bad, bad, bad. Riding Kawasaki like a grip, you on the Rari, let you ride it, then you rap, and you bad, bad, bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing. I can eat you like a hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. I just took the doors, all the guinea, no.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal here and I'm back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this look. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Alright guys, welcome. So starting off with a clean fresh face, I'm going to be going in with the aloe vera gel to moisturize and prep my skin. Now taking the e.l.f. eyebrow kit in the shade dark, I'm going to be creating tiny hair strokes to fill in my eyebrows. Now taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, I'm going to be using that to clean my under eyebrow and also highlight. Taking the Milani 2-in-1 foundation, I'm going to be using that along with the MAC Studio Fix liquid foundation and applying both of them to my face. Now for concealer, I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in the shade Deep Olive and applying that underneath my eyes to conceal any dark spots. And I like to let my concealer dry down a little before I blend it out just to give me a nice highlighted effect underneath my eyes. Taking that same concealer again, I'm going to be applying a little bit more underneath my under eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin. And because this concealer is a little bit on the yellow side, I'll be taking a translucent powder to set it. To contour, I'm going to be using the Douce palette from Juvias Place, and this palette is super pigmented. As you can see, I applied a little bit too much, but that's okay because we're going to blend all that out and bring all the warmth that we lost back into our skin. Now using the best highlighter in the world, in my opinion, I'm going to be going in with the oldie but a goodie Global Glow highlighter from MAC. And like, look at that highlighter. Like, ain't nobody checking with that highlighter, girl. Ain't nobody checking you. Yes, ma'am. So I'm going to apply that to my cheeks, in my nose, in between my eyes, and on my brow bone. Now using the same palette that we used from Juvias Place, I'm going to be taking that same color to contour and applying that on my eyelids. And voila, the lashes are on. These lashes are so bomb. I got them from Shop Miss A. They were only $1, and the style name will be listed in the description below. Moving right along, I'm going to be taking a brown lip liner to line my bottom lip and my top lip. To finish off this look, I'm going to be using NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie and applying that to the center part of my lips. Alright guys, that concludes this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, deuces. Where the music go? My plug ain't connected. Good? I don't know if that was good. That don't make no sense. Okay, scratch. Wait, what do you say at the end? Listen.